Oh, I didn't know I was still recording. Not the bio. I got this candle. Smells like heaven, and this perfume. I really love this skincare brand. I use it actually all the time. I've gone through 3 of these already. So this is my 4th round. Just changed into this because I need to take a photo for White Fox, and then I'm gonna put my Pilates stuff on and go to Pilates. Okay, we've just made my black coffee. Okay, I'm popping in to pause and just say thank you so much to Armra for sponsoring this video before we continue in my kitchen. I am traveling right now. This is like a weird all over the place YouTube video, but I brought my Armra with me. I just read this whole book on gut health and the importance of gut health, and a lot of the book talks about your microbiome, and Armra actually, this product helps rebuild that. I just feel like it's really improved my energy levels, my sleep for sure. That's the tea on Armra. And we can continue, and I'll give you like more details about this product that's in a more professional, scientific way, but I wanted to be personal and just talk about it from my experience. And also, I've literally brought it with me across the globe. So, yeah. Okay, enjoy. And I'm gonna be using my Armra Immune Revival packet. This is like, honestly, my favorite thing to do because it just makes me feel so good. I like this one because it's unflavored and I'm a boring girl. But they also have blood orange and some other flavors on their website. It's an immune barrier superfood. I just put this in a water bottle and drink it. This one has actually no taste, but it has some really great benefits. It's supposed to strengthen your immunity, enhance your skin radiance, it fortifies gut health, it improves your mood, focus, and energy. It also is great for like restoring sleep and fuel performance and recovery. Blood orange sounds really good. I'm gonna do unflavored today. Okay, I'm rushing out the door. We're going to Pilates. I have to go. We have this. For my flight later, I'm gonna bring these so when I wake up like halfway through and I want something sweet, it can be this, because I'm starting my health journey today because all I feel like I've been doing is drinking and eating and drinking and eating because I've been on trips with my friends. I just got some bananas to put in there, and I'm gonna have my health shot. It has turmeric, which is good for inflammation, and I am like a puffball. I'm gonna put the girl who made me these, her account on the screen. I love them. I have cute coffee mugs you saw this morning. This is breakfast, and I just took that. I just got a package from JENNI KAYNE. This is literally my favorite brand ever. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I would honestly wear this as like a wrap. It's so comfy. Ooh, it's a throw blanket, but it's so cozy. Oh my gosh. Their Oak Essentials collection, it smells divine. Beach bag and a matching hat. Okay. That's amazing. I'll link it below. I have this in black. I wear it all the time, and I'm gonna wear this nonstop. This is what I'm the most excited about. I'll definitely link this down below. This candle, and this one. You can, whoa, you can smell them through the boxes. That was my favorite package ever, so. These are our ingredients. Chia seeds, xanthan gum, cassava flour, almond flour, potato starch, salt, honey, olive oil, baking powder, and yeast. Do 2 of these. Okay. We have to let it rise for an hour, and then hopefully we'll put it in the oven and it will be good. Gorgeous. Bye, bread. It looks really good.
Livs, you want to plunge or you don't care to? She's like, oh, you don't know?
Good morning. We're getting ready for my mom's birthday dinner. And a little lip prep. Detangler. I feel like I've already primed, taking this Chanel bronzer at the very start. Just like buffing everything out, just a little. Then I'm gonna take some of this Rose Ink tinted serum. This is really nice. Just over everything else. I think this just like kind of blends it all together. Doing this last, it's kind of been my new thing. I had a makeup artist do this on me recently, and I've just been liking how it looks. Kind of just melts everything together, makes it look really nice. Little blush. I'm lacking brushes, but thankfully this is kind of acting as a multi-purpose situation. Eyebrows. With my damp sponge, unless you feel the need to add more concealer, do it now. I'm gonna just come in. Are you naked? Go on, you're good. I'm in here.
I did for you.
Yeah.
Not right now. I stay. Bye.